Hey guys, what is up? Ollie here and
Thomas.
And today we have a very special episode. It is a pack opening, but Ollie
And Thomas.
here are our faces, guys. Hopefully you enjoy our faces. If you don't, well, that's unfortunate. And quite rude. As you guys can see, I have 400k on my account almost. We're going to be opening about 100k of that, unless I get absolutely nothing, then I might have to go further. Hopefully it doesn't happen though. Thomas is a viewer.
He's not already paced.
It's true. You can open the next pack, tell us.
The Duras. That's the striker I use.
Cool. I'm not gonna look. Heads down at the table. Tell me when it's opened.
It's opened.
Debussy. Oh, that's crap, isn't it? No duplicates, wow. That's like the worst pack you've ever opened for me, and this guy's for some reason worth something. How do you do this?
I don't know.
Put the controller down, pack. Sit back. Ugh. Fabregas! Anti-mobile! Oh baby, that's a pack! Oh, that's a beautiful pack. Oh, sick. That's the first time I've packed either of those guys. I think Immobile is worth a bit. Fabregas is pretty good. All day I've spent buying and selling players to open these packs and nothing. Now I'm going to have to do like a 200k pack opening or something. That's just going to ruin my day. Moto might not ruin my day though. Oh, 50 pace, get out of this freaking club. Right, scheduled last pack. Unless I get someone amazing, this is probably not going to be the last pack though. Crap, now I just went all. Oh! Hang on. Hang on. Oh, for God's sake! Oh, here we go, boys. 200k pack opening. Woo! I hate my life. Just any inform, please. Inform Jekko if you must. It's still 40k. It's probably worse informs I can get. I know what the other one's worth though. Wilshire. Whoa, that's a pack. Like, no good in it. It's a pack. You know, open a pack. And this is what they give me. I've already got this guy's pack opening. What is this? 4k, brother. Have you ever given me less than 5 grand when you open me a pack?
I don't know.
Hey.
I bet this will be the first one.
I usually don't look on them as well. Ugh. Church, are you kidding? That's freaking bull crap. 1k. Well, you gave me 2 80s pluses like usual.
Bonetta. I've got him in my squad.
Who?
Bonetta.
I have to deal with you personally. There's a quicker way to do that, but I need to deal with that personally. You've been playing FIFA for 20 minutes, and if he's in your squad, he's gone. Oh, fuck. Ooh, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. He's Brazilian, he's 74, and he's worth 6k, yes! Oh, 5k, he's worth nothing. Open?
Yep.
A non-rare bronze? Is there a duplicate that's good? Oh my god, that's a bad pack. Enjoying yourself, are we?
God. Oh, these are ridiculously bad.
Well, I guess I'm opening a nice silver pack. That last one was so giving. Almost half of next week. Oh, the troll Rodriguez. That's the best pack I've had in a while. A couple 87 paces. Skip. That is a... Oh my god! Oh my god! Tweety. And some 88 pace guy, Botis. If I was smart, I'd end it here. But I'm Ollie. I have to end it on a round number. Get back up here. You can open a pack. You better give me something. I'm going back down in my little cave.
Why can't I have this luck for me?
Lavezzi. Couple good plays in a row there. No duplicates. Do you think the Thomas opening pack will work twice in a row? What? What is with you? It's never giving me a bad pack.
Why can't I get myself a good pack? That's so annoying.
Alright, you go open 2 in a row. Just send it to club and then quick sell.
You realise this isn't going to work.
2 in a row.
Yeah.
You never know. You never know. 2 in a row might happen, bro. Oh, I'm going accidentally.
Pogba! Are you kidding?
60k! 60k! The Thomas pack is real! The Thomas pack is real!
Why can't I get Pogba
The
myself?
exact player he wants.
Oh.
Beautiful. 200Ks. Nice round number. Very good player. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want more, subscribe. If you like this video. Peace out.